Hey guys, we're Biotech Stocks Capital, bringing you the latest investment ideas every week. In today's video, we'll talk about the biggest online lodging marketplace, AirBNB, ticker ABNB on the stock market NASDAQ, and perform technical analysis of the company's stocks. Remember to like this video to help us with the algorithm, it really does help, and subscribe so you don't miss new investment and trading ideas, technical analysis of hot stocks, or educational videos we make every single week. Let's rock! AirBNB Incorporation, as already mentioned, is the biggest online marketplace for lodging, primarily homestays for vacational rentals and tourism activities. The company's model connects hosts and guests online or through mobile devices to book spaces and experiences. It primarily offers private rooms and luxury villas. The company does not, however, own any of the listed property and profits by receiving commission from each booking. AirBNB Incorporation was founded in 2007 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the tourism industry suffered from damage that amounted to billions of dollars. However, unlike traditional hotels and restaurants, travel services suffered less and managed to optimize their business. AirBNB's revenue grew 5% from $842 to $887 in the first quarter of 2021, following a nearly $1 billion difference in total annual revenue between 2019 and 2020, which is displayed on the graphic. As you may have deducted already, the company's revenue was rising each year, and the only thing that stopped them from achieving even higher results was the pandemic. Now let's take a quick glance at some of the AirBNB's competitors. There is a whole bunch of them, more than 14 companies, but they all have some unique aspects in the way they handle their customers and managers. We decided to compare AirBNB with two biggest similar companies to keep this video short and tidy. First one is VRBO, which boasts about 2 million listings. It is very similar to Airbnb in the way it functions, but it offers large, high-end vacation homes which cater to families and groups of friends instead of lone travelers and people just looking for a place to spend the night. The second company is Booking.com. Each day, the travelers book more than 1,550,000 nights through the platform. The thing that differentiates it from Airbnb, though, is that it originated from a search engine for booking hotels, which means it's not nearly as widespread with its private lodgings. Now, after a brief look at the fundamental side of things, let's get to the stock charts and proceed with the technical analysis. Since the beginning of 2021, AirBNB shares have been squeezed into a descending triangle and were traded at the support line of $175. The descending triangle is a clear sell signal. In May, the stock broke through the support line and headed down. Currently, a channel has been formed between the 130 support line and 150 resistance line. We can clearly see that stocks are increasingly trading near the upper limit of the channel, which is a bullish indicator, and we are also seeing an increase in trading volume. In order for the stock to gain strength and continue to grow, it needs to rise above the resistance line and overcome the price of 150. Now is a good time to invest in Airbnb shares, medium to long term, so for 1 month or more. We believe that the company has experienced most of the downturn from the imposed restrictions related to COVID-19. The holiday season is coming, which will have a positive impact on the stock price. We also want to note that according to the forecasts of analytical agencies, the fair values of the stock sits at about $200, which would give us an income of about 30%. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments below which companies and stocks you are interested in, and we'll be happy to do a review. Subscribe to BSC and remember, stay invested.